Okay, welcome back, guys. Um, a quick reaction to that 200 meters for women from Brussels, the Diamond League. Very good race. Um, Olympic silver medalist Christine Mboma runs 21.84, wins the Brussels Diamond League women's 200 meter. Jamaica's Shericka Jackson second in 21.95. Dina Asher Smith in 22.04. So it wasn't the quickest race in the world, but still a good race. And in fourth place is Sha'Carri Richardson with 22.45. So Sha'Carri is still somewhat out of form. Um, and we know what everybody is going to say. They're going to get at her for it. But I think it's probably time now for just kind of take it easy and ease off of that. You know what I mean? Um, she went into the race saying that, you know what I mean, showing respect and saying that she knew that it was a competitive field. So I'm not gonna go at her this time. There's no reason to. Um, Good run from Shericka. I think she led the race up to probably the last 40 meters before Boma caught up with her. But the as I said, as a kind of slang, seems Boma has the bigger engine. You know what I mean? So she wasn't the quickest out of the blocks or around the curve, but when she got on that straightaway close to the end, she was able to make up the difference. So, like we said, not the quickest race. Coming in third, Dina Asher Smith of the UK with 22.04. You know what I mean? And Sha'Carri finishing fourth. Um, Really good race, really good race. As we look forward to the finals and where we'll see all, if not most, athletes um, performing. There's a 100-meter race that will be jam packed. I'm still waiting to see the field. That's the finals of the Diamond League. So, one more week of Diamond League after this, guys. So, stay tuned and we'll wait to see how the world reacts to this one. All right? Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.